Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello you guys, it's Krissy Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? You might as well hit the subscribe button so you can most definitely join the family too, because we lit. So, as y'all can see in the title down below, I'm going to be working with this hair company that reached out to me called, can y'all see that? YOLOVA. Because period. So, they've been reached out to me, and I'm low-key kind of late on this video, but I am working at Amazon, and it was peak season. We worked 6 days out the week. So peak season is now over, so I had time to do the video. So the hair that I chose was a T-part wig. It's straight. Okay, y'all, so I had to do a voiceover because clearly I was still half asleep in the video. The hair is 26 inches with 150 density, and it's also human hair. It's going to be a review, unboxing review / install. So y'all can see how I'm finna slay this hoe. Alright, so we're just gonna open it. The packaging was very much nice. It came inside of this box. Of course, it was inside of another bag, but I took it out the bag because, yeah. So we're gonna open it together. Sorry y'all if y'all seeing some type of glare. So what it came, we're gonna show y'all what the hair came inside. It came inside of this nice bag, and it's satin, so nice. I gotta keep kind of like toning the brightness. I'm like, it's too bright in here. Okay, so what came in the box was, can y'all see that? Some wig caps. They also sent some lashes. And the lashes also has some glue on the side. They sent me something else that I very much needed. Some tweezers. Thank y'all, YOLOVA. And they also sent this card that basically says, you know, thank you. This says, hi, beautiful. Thank you for shopping with YOLOVA. We are thrilled to share this transformational journey with you. Feel free to share your thoughts with us on our website and social media platforms down below. There's all the platforms on here. And, you know, just some other things. And, yeah. Okay, so we are going to check out the hair. I had to be a little extra and smell inside the bag. But the hair came inside of this packaging right here. Yeah, the hair came inside of this bag right here. Little plastic bag. So we finna check out this hair, because I haven't really touched the hair yet. Okay, so, wow. Okay. So the hair came inside of this hairnet, which most companies, they gonna put the hair in the hairnet. Keep it together. The hairnet stuck to me. And this is the hair, honey. It's full. It's 150 density. And low-key, I normally get more than 150 density when I order hair. I want to say I get a... What's the word? I get like a 180 to 250 because I don't like thin hair at all. So this hair is very much so thick. And it's 24 inches. I wish y'all can. It's true to length. Dang, I really want to show y'all. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all when it's on my head when we install it. It's a T-part wig. We're just gonna quickly inspect it. The lace is, I want to say this is transparent. It's maybe, I want to say it's Swiss. It's Swiss lace. The knots are not thick at all, which is love. Because when I install this, of course it is a T-part wig, which I have no issues with. It makes it easier on me. But yes, y'all, love it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I already did my freaking ball cap method. And got my braid on and stuff like that. This is the wig. I kind of had like already customized it. Can y'all see that? Let me turn the brightness down. There we go. I know y'all can see it now. I still gotta straighten it some more. Okay, y'all, so I got my Ghost Bond. That's what I'm gonna be using to lay my hair. I'm, of course, going to add 3 layers. Maybe like 3 to 4 layers of Ghost Bond. Before you apply your glue, clean your hairline with the 91% alcohol, because that's what I did. Just to make sure like the glue really gonna stick for real and it's not gonna go nowhere. Okay, y'all, so I done added my 3 layers of glue. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm finna be up close and personal in y'all face so I can make sure I do this how I need to do it. As y'all can see, I'm just using my elastic band just to tie down the perimeter of my hair, just to make sure everything is set in place and it's not going anywhere. Or if I need to add some. Ooh. And I'm gonna bring y'all back up close and personal. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna cut the lace. And the way I cut my lace, or the way I was always told to kind of like, oops, cut it like in a zigzag motion. If that makes sense. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of this concealer. I'm gonna get some concealer. The shade that I use is Beautiful Bronze, just because it matches my skin complexion. Kind of like clean up this lace a little bit. Now, I feel like I low-key don't need no baby hairs, but then again, I really do want some. So I'm using my hair melting spray by Wig Glue just so we can make sure that lace is melted, and then we're going to tie it down with an elastic band. Okay, y'all, that is all for this video. Let me show y'all my hair. That's all for this video. Thank you so much, YOLOVA hair. I really enjoyed working with y'all. This hair is beautiful, y'all. No cap, it's soft. Since I've installed it, I ain't really got no shedding, which is lovely. As y'all can see, baby, what lace? What lace? What freaking lace? But anyway, thanks you guys so much for watching. If y'all enjoyed this video, if y'all have any type of tips or pointers y'all want to give me that's positive or constructive criticism, then comment down below. You already know my motto for your true K, baby. Stay lifted and stay encouraged always, and don't let nobody ruin your day. Love you guys.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. That's why I'm getting it back with you, girl. Keep on talking about